Hello, welcome to French Kitchen. Do you remember I actually used a rectangle shaped pan for making some egg roll for kimbap? Well, this time I'm going to use that pan again, but for the omurice. Well, omurice is a kind of omelette with rice inside. Well, I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Quite simple. Today's dish is quite simple one and you don't need many ingredients for it. For the filling, I prepared fresh ham already chopped and cheddar cheese shredded and chopped onion. You can change these ingredients as you want. And I stir-fried onions. I prepared 2 eggs, but actually you need 1 egg for 1 roll. Little bit of salt needed. And break them and whisk. Add all the ingredients in the rice and mix well. I will add just pepper, not salt, because cheddar cheese and ham are already salty. But if you like, you can add some salt, of course. When you make kind of rice patty, I don't know how to call, but you better check the size of your pan. With this rice filling, I think you can make 3. And making this rice patty filling quite similar to samgak kimbap rice. After heat the oil, just put some egg on the pan, roughly this much. You should keep the heat with lower temperature. Anyway, put 1 of rice on this side and push a little bit to the end and turn it over. Add a little bit more egg and roll it like this. I think I used half of egg for 1 roll, but I think it really depends how thick the egg is. So you might need another egg. Well, I finished making 1 roll, so I'm going to show it once more, but faster. You know, you can make this kind of roll with just under normal pan, round shape. But if you use this pan, well, make a certain shape with a certain size. Well, I think this dish is quite similar to omurice, omelette rice, but a simple version. I still have another rice to make another roll, so maybe need to break another egg myself. You can eat this with any kind of sauce you like. And the good thing about this one, you can put any ingredients inside with rice. 맛있게 드세요. Well, it was so easy and simple recipe, wasn't it? Well, this rectangle shaped pan, you can use it for daily use for just a simple egg fry, 1 or 2, or just a small amount of ingredients for stir frying. That kind of daily use also, okay? Well, anyway, maybe next time I can show you another way to use rectangle, pan. We just call it 사각 pan anyway. Well, Thanks for watching, and any comment welcome. See you next time.